Welcome back. COVID-19 has demonstrated the importance of seeing the world as a social network. One example of how seeing the world as a network has been critically important is in helping us recognize the power of physical distancing in stopping the spread of COVID-19. While there are measures such as wearing masks that can prevent the spread and do not involve cutting off physical interactions, social network analysis has demonstrated the power that minimizing physical interaction and using physical distancing has in keeping our communities safe. The video we're about to watch highlights two key concepts relating to social networks and the spread of coronavirus. First, this video demonstrates the power of social networks analysis when it comes to public health. The models show how physical distancing and reducing our bubbles can not only protect our own health, but the health of the people closest to us and the people closest to them. Second, this video highlights the importance of seeing the world as a network. COVID-19 has highlighted for everyone how interconnected we are as a global network of linked individuals. While this model focuses specifically on people in our physical networks, it is critical too to recognize the power of virtual networks during COVID-19, something we will touch on later.